this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import your mails from Proton Mail to Gmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Proton Mail and your Gmail account. Then from here, you need to go out to the settings tab over here on the Gmail account. Then from here, you need to click on see all settings and go down to account and import down over here. Then from here, you'll need to go down to check mail from other accounts and then click add a mail account over here. Now from here, you need to add in your email address from your Proton Mail like so, and then click next. Then from here, you can see you'll have the option to import mails from other account POP3, or you can add Gmailify if you want to do that. Then you need to click next. And then from here, it will automatically select the pub server, which for this tutorial is mail.proton.me. And then you need to add in the password for your Proton Mail. Then from here, you can add whether or not it should leave a copy of received messages from the server. It should always use a secure connection, label incoming messages, and archive incoming messages if you want to do that. And then you can click add accounts. Then from here, this can take a little bit of time, but it should go over in a couple of minutes. But that's how you do it. If there are no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!